Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Gentle reminder as always to knock up like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Free and easy ways to support the channel. All right, so now we're giving you guys a bit of breaking news, a little exclusive here at the Formula Sports from a credible source. And you see the banner at the end of your screen. Jamaica Reggae Boyz squad versus Catalonia revealed. Very, very interesting squad. And I'm going to put it up on your screen right now. Wait, let me remove the banner. There is the squad, guys. There is the squad. So, this is first of all, it's a 20-man squad from what I'm seeing here. Right? I'm not even gonna go into why the squad's so short. See, well, I don't know, it's for a one-half game still. So it bad and not so bad. The 20 players bad and not so bad for a one-half game. But yeah. So you see it on your screen now, guys. The squad, the list of players for Jamaica versus the upcoming friendly versus Catalonia. So you see a player here on your screen, a player that I have personally never seen before at the top of the list. I don't know if you guys know this name, but I don't know it. Corey Adai from Iceberg, I think is how you pronounce that club in Denmark. This is the second division in Denmark, right? And this player apparently plays for the same club as Akwasa Chang, right? So that is pretty interesting. The second player is Dylan Barnes from Queen's Park Rangers. Obviously, we know him, guys. Kareem Paris has made the cut. Yes, indeed, Kareem Paris will feature for the Jamaica Reggae Boyz versus Catalonia. You know, Kareem Paris right now just won the Slovenian Cup, and his team is on top with 2 games to go in the Slovenian League. We wish him all the best. Ajani Talbot, Harbour UFC, right? He would have just came back from the Portuguese 3rd division. He's now in the JPL. Guys, Jordan Cousins is set to make a debut. Big baller for Wigan Athletic, right? A player that I have a lot of time for. I know he's not the most highly rated, CDM available to Jamaica, but me personally, no business when nobody wants to say. Jordan Cousins is a player that can add a lot of value to the national team. By the way, Corey Adai, from what I'm seeing here, is a goalkeeper, right? He is a goalkeeper, and yes, he does indeed play for the same club as Akwasa Chang. I wonder if Akwasa had anything to do with that. Up next, number 6 on your list, Blair Turgott, BK Hacken, big baller over there in Sweden. You know, so I have whole heap of ratings for Blair Turgott. Up next, Akwasa Chang plays at the same club as Adai over there in Denmark, 2nd division, Iceberg, right? By the way, again, Corey Adai is 24 years of old. He's 24 years of age. He is a goalkeeper. So yes, Akwasa Chang has made the cut. Guys, number 8 on your list. Who that? Wanna knock up a like button for Omari Hutchinson. Big baller from Arsenal in the squad. Yes, people, Omari Hutchinson is here. Welcome to Jam Rock. Big baller, right? This is a player who is making the first team, the match day squad for that big club over there in England. On a smash up the like button for Omar Hutchinson. Big baller. Yes, indeed. It's good to see the young player in the mix. This is what the JFF needs to do going forward. Grab them young. Seen? Bring them into the setup. Bring them into the fold. Very young. Big up Omari Hutchinson. Up next, Joel Latibodier, Swansea City defender. That news would have been broken a little earlier on in, I think it was late last week. Remember, Sir Right, it was Coach's Dex that broke that one, and then Military did a video on it as well. So big up those 2 vloggers. Seen? So Joel Latibodier is in the mix as well. Tyreek Zimenez, Mount Pleasant, makes the cut as well. Big fullback, in the JPL, one of the young jewels, young gems in the JPL. Up next, a player that has been grabbing a lot of headlines in recent times. Yes, Johnson Clark Harris, right? This is a player that many of you know I have a lot of time for, right? And Johnson Clark Harris struts his stuff for Peterborough United over there well, they just got relegated from the championship, unfortunately. Up next, Ramon Howell, one of the better midfielders in the JPL, one of the best, in fact. Ramon Howell from Waterhouse FC. He would have been in the squad for the last World Cup qualifying window. I was surprised he didn't feature more, right? He didn't get more of a chance to prove himself, but he's here against Catalonia. Let's see how it turns out for him. Junior Flemings, Toulouse, recent Ligue 2 champions over in France. Junior Flemings are regular fixture in the Jamaica national senior team. Up next, the return of the maestro. Knock up the like button. Tyreek McGee is back in the mix, right? The maestro over there. You know, our Reggae Boyz maestro over there at Cass UPenn desperately needs to make a move from that club. You know, unfortunately, the player isn't featuring much. You know, hopefully he gets a move in the summer, but we know what McGee can do, especially in national colors. Guys, Nico Brett, a player that many people have been calling for in recent times, one of the hottest strikers in the USL. New Mexico United would have played alongside Flemmer at Birmingham Legion last season. Nico Brett is in the mix. Knock up the like button. Nico Brett has finally gotten his chance. Kenroy Campbell over there at Cavaliers, JPL champions, right? He is in the mix as well. Ricardo Thomas, not his first time being called up. He was in the last window for the squad as well. Ricardo Thomas, the fullback, can play either left fullback or right fullback, as he has been doing this season on a number of occasions for Waterhouse at right fullback. So Ricardo Thomas, by the way, I have a lot of time for his brother, you know. I think his brother is a decent player, you know. Ricardo Thomas makes the cut as well. Guys, who is this? Who that nice squad, people? Is that Rolando Aarons? How is the box foot you said to me, guys? Rolando Aarons is in the squad. Many of us has been, guys, I watch Rolando Aarons making debut for Newcastle, you know, man. I watch that brother here stitch goal against Manchester City in the FA Cup as an 18-year-old, you know, guys. Right? We have been calling for this player to get a chance for years. Finally, Rolando Aarons is in the mix. I didn't even realize this player was fit, because I know that he has had his injury challenges. But guys, Rolando Aarons has finally, right, been given a shot at making at featuring for the national senior team. Knock up the like button for Rolando Aarons. Is a player we have been dying to see, right? Up next, Cameron Lacey, UNC, right? And finally, Jamai Tope at Mount Pleasant. Guys, let me know, what do you think about the squad, guys? What do you think about the squad? Some new arrivals, some players I've never even heard of before, much less seen. Ada is a player I have never even heard about previously, much less seen, right? So it's good to see him in the mix. Cousins as well, Paris, right? Latibodier, Clark Harris, McGee making a return. There are so many of them, guys. There are so many of them. How you think this squad will fare against Catalonia? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think that this squad, right, can get us a good result versus Catalonia? You know, hit me up in the comment section, guys, and let me know what you think. Right, again, a lot of new arrivals, a lot of, you know, some players I've never even heard about, to be honest with you, man. Right, and a lot of players making returns to the national setup scene. So let me know in the comments what you think about the squad. Guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Free and easy ways to support the channel. A little bit of exclusive there for you guys. So take care, stay safe, enjoy the rest of your day, And, you know, Formula Sports were out, guys.